Let's dive into how you can handle optional fields and set default values within your Pydantic models, which is super useful when dealing with real-world data. So Pydantic allows you to define optional fields in your models with the optional type from the typing module. And optional fields are useful when certain data may not be provided or when you want to set a default value for that data. And let's take a look at how this happens in our example today. So we define a user model with four fields: ID, name, email, and age. The email and age fields are marked as optional using optional. For email, we've also provided a default value of none, meaning if the email isn't given, it will default to none. And similarly, the age field has a default value of 18. So if no age is given, it will default to 18. In this example, we create a user instance without providing an email address. So Pydantic will automatically set email to none and use the default value for age, which is 18, as we said. And so here, as you can see, the user is created successfully with the email set to none and the age set to 18. So Pydantic handles the missing data for us, which makes your models more flexible and forgetting when certain fields are not provided.